Hey everyone! Welcome to our kitchen. Have you ever tried a French pancake so light and fluffy that it melts in your mouth? We're not talking about regular pancakes here. These are delicate crepes. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make them like a true Parisian chef, step by step. Before we start our French pancake adventure, let's gather our ingredients. The key to making perfect crepes is having everything ready and measured out before you start. This not only makes the process smoother, but also ensures that you don't miss any crucial steps or ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of plain flour. This is the base of our pancakes. Flour provides the structure and body to our crepes, giving them that perfect texture. Make sure to sift the flour to avoid any lumps in your batter. Then, we need 2 large eggs to make them nice and fluffy. Eggs are essential as they bind the ingredients together and add richness to the batter. The yolks provide color and flavor, while the whites help with the structure. We'll also use half a cup of milk to make them light and delicate. Milk adds moisture and helps to create a smooth batter. You can use whole milk for a richer taste or skim milk if you prefer a lighter option. And a 1/4 cup of water, which is our secret ingredient for super thin pancakes. The water helps to thin out the batter, making it easier to spread in the pan and resulting in those beautifully thin and delicate crepes. Next, we need 2 tablespoons of melted butter to give our crepes a beautiful golden color and yummy flavor. Butter adds richness and helps to prevent the crepes from sticking to the pan. Make sure the butter is melted but not too hot when you add it to the batter. And of course, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract because every good pancake deserves a touch of sweetness. Vanilla adds a lovely aroma and enhances the overall flavor of the crepes. You can also experiment with other extracts like almond or orange for a different twist. Lastly, a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors. Salt is a crucial ingredient in baking as it balances the sweetness and enhances the other flavors. Just a small pinch is enough to make a big difference. Now let's mix everything together. Combining the ingredients properly is key to achieving a smooth and lump-free batter. Take your time to ensure everything is well incorporated. In a big bowl, whisk the flour and salt. This helps to evenly distribute the salt throughout the flour, ensuring that every bite of your crepes is perfectly seasoned. Make a small well in the center, like a little volcano. This well will hold the wet ingredients and make it easier to mix everything together without creating lumps. Crack the eggs into the well, then add the melted butter and vanilla extract. This method helps to gradually incorporate the wet ingredients into the dry, resulting in a smoother batter. Be gentle and patient as you mix to avoid overworking the batter. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Slowly pour in half of the milk while whisking constantly so we don't get any lumps. The batter might seem a bit thick right now, but don't add all the milk at once. We want a smooth and velvety texture. The secret ingredient: melted butter and a touch of vanilla. Remember that milk we didn't use? Let's add it now, along with the water, and whisk until the batter is smooth like silk. Remember those 2 tablespoons of melted butter we added earlier? They're the secret to those beautiful golden brown edges and a touch of richness you'll absolutely love. And the teaspoon of vanilla, it adds a little touch of sweetness, a secret flavor enhancer that makes these pancakes extra special. The sizzle of perfection, cooking your French pancakes. Now for the best part, cooking. Gather all your ingredients and utensils. Make sure you have everything within reach to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Cooking is not just about the end result, but also about the experience and joy of creating something delicious. Heat a lightly oiled skillet or crepe pan over medium heat. The type of oil you use can affect the flavor of your pancakes, so choose one that complements your taste. Olive oil, butter, or even coconut oil can add a unique twist to your French pancakes. You'll know it's ready when a drop of water dances on the surface. This is a crucial step to ensure your pancakes cook evenly and have that perfect texture. If the water evaporates too quickly, the pan might be too hot, so adjust the heat accordingly. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot skillet and quickly swirl it around to create a thin, even circle. The swirling motion helps in spreading the batter evenly, ensuring that your pancakes are uniformly thin and cook perfectly. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if the first few attempts aren't flawless. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and slightly puffed up. The key is to watch the color and texture. A golden brown hue indicates that the pancake is cooked to perfection, while the slight puffiness shows that it's light and airy inside. You'll know it's time to flip when the edges look dry and you see tiny bubbles on top. These bubbles are a sign that the batter is cooking through. Once flipped, give it another minute or so to cook the other side. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked French pancake ready to be enjoyed. A non-stick symphony. The pan that makes it all possible. Let's talk about pans for a second. While you can definitely use a regular skillet, a non-stick pan is your best friend when making French pancakes. It makes sure the pancakes come off easily and prevents them from sticking or breaking. Plus, it makes cleaning up super easy. Embrace the joy of French pancakes. Your culinary adventure awaits. Imagine waking up to the delightful aroma of freshly made French pancakes, their golden brown edges crisping to perfection. These delicate, thin crepes are not just a treat for the taste buds, but a feast for the eyes as well. Whether you prefer them sweet or savory, the possibilities are endless. There you have it, my friends. The joy of making French pancakes is something everyone should experience. It's a culinary adventure that brings people together, from the youngest family members to the oldest. The secret to perfect French pancakes is now all yours. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each attempt brings you closer to pancake perfection. The key is in the batter and the technique, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And even if your first few tries aren't exactly crepe-worthy, don't give up. Enjoy the process. Try different toppings and let your creativity shine. From fresh fruits and whipped cream to savory options like cheese and ham, the sky's the limit. Most importantly, have fun. Cooking should be a joyful experience, a time to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories. So gather your family and friends and make it a pancake party. Now go out there and create some pancake magic. And when you do, take pride in your creations. Each pancake is a testament to your culinary journey and the effort you've put into mastering this delightful dish. Be sure to share your culinary triumphs with me. Snap a photo, post it on social media, and tag us. We love seeing your delicious creations and hearing your stories. I can't wait to hear all about it. Your culinary adventure awaits, so grab your apron and start flipping those pancakes. Bon appétit!